Okay guys, I'm quickly gonna cover a very controversial topic that many people have their own opinions upon. What is the perfect bike to start on? The old school way is that you get a small displacement bike and you gradually upgrade to a bigger bike. This is considered the safer way to do things. Yeah, the smaller bikes are not as fast, don't accelerate that quickly. So people believe that they are safer. In some ways they are, in others they aren't. The only bad thing about this method is that you tend to outgrow the bikes quite rapidly. So you end up looking for a bike, servicing it and whatever, and in 3 months you start looking for a bigger one as you simply outgrow the 300 or 250 or whatever you may have got. Starting on a 600 can be quite a challenge for some people, as the bikes are quite powerful these days. And shit can go wrong really quickly. On the other hand, if you respect the bike and know your limits and be cautious, you can unlock the bike's potential bit by a bit. So getting bored won't be that easy. And to be fair, the 600cc bikes are plenty for most people. There's just, I don't see the point of going beyond that. They accelerate to 16 point something seconds. They have a top speed of a lot, like 150, 160. If that's not enough, I don't know what to tell you. Of course, the bike's displacement can vary depending on what type of bike you're gonna get. Generally, cruisers have bigger engines, a bit less power, more torque, but they're a bit more laid back of a ride. The mid-tier bikes are the so-called 650s, even though they may not be 650. They're generally between engines, about 60 to 80 horsepower. They're in middle ground, they're quite tame, quite comfortable to ride, still quite quick as well. And let's get to the ridiculous part, starting on a litter bike. Another vlogger said that new 600cc bikes are getting obsolete. Even though I agree to some part, I disagree to another. But still, with the various riding modes, you can easily reduce the bike's power to the one of the 600 cubic centimeters. When you feel ready, you can unlock more power and more power and more power. The only thing that I don't agree is that, in my opinion, a litter bike is way too powerful for street use. Yeah, if you go to multiple track days, I can see getting a litter bike, but dude, even a 600 can do awesome things at the track. Anyways, I hope this video was informative, guys. If you feel like subscribing, I'll very much appreciate it. Bye for now and have a safe ride.